A New Year with the Three Wise Monkeys. Hey kids! Have you ever met three monkeys who are super good at playing hide and seek with their senses? Meet the three wise monkeys. One monkey hides its eyes like it's playing peekaboo, another zips its mouth like it just ate a secret cookie, and the last one covers its ears like it heard a super silly joke. Ready to learn what makes them so wise? Let's swing into the story. This is Mizaru, the monkey covering his eyes, tells us not to see bad things. This is Iwazaru, the monkey covering his mouth, reminds us to speak kindly and avoid hurtful words. This is Kikazaru, the monkey covering his ears, teaches us not to listen to bad things. The three wise monkeys, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. This is the message of the three wise monkeys. These three monkeys teach us to be wise with our eyes, ears, and words. See Good Milo, the playful monkey, loved exploring the jungle with his best friend, Nia. One day, they came across a spooky cave. "Let's peek inside," Milo said. But Nia quickly covered her eyes and said, "No, Milo. We shouldn't look at things that might scare us or get us into trouble." Milo laughed but agreed, and they skipped away to find something more fun. From that day on, Milo learned to stay curious but wise, just like Nia. Hear Good? Zara, the chatterbox monkey, loved spreading news about the jungle. Her friend, Leo, however, always covered his ears when gossip started. "Why don't you want to hear the exciting stories?" Zara asked. Leo replied, "Because gossip can hurt others, and I want to keep my ears full of good things." Zara thought about it and decided to only share stories that brought smiles, not frowns. They both became the jungle's favorite storytellers. Speak Good. Taiko and Benji were best monkey buddies who loved to chat. One day, Benji made fun of Taiko's clumsy vine swinging, and Taiko felt hurt. The next day, Taiko saw Benji drop a fruit and almost teased him back but stopped and said, "It's okay, we all make mistakes." Benji realized how much words can hurt or heal and promised Taiko, "From now on, I'll only say things that make you feel good."
Look for kindness every day. See the good in every way. Close your eyes to what is mean. See the good, keep life serene. Hear good birds that make you smile. Listen close, it's worth your while. Block the noise that brings you fear. Hear the good, bring joy near. Say kind words that spread delight. Speak with love and shine so bright. Leave the mean words far behind. Speak the good with heart and mind.
Good morning, class. The new year is here, and it's the perfect time to set some resolutions. Let's go around and share your New Year resolutions. Remember, no copying your friends. I will wake up early every morning and go right back to sleep. It's my superpower. I'm going to build a rocket and send my sister to the moon. She's always stealing my chocolate. My New Year resolution is to finally beat my cat at hide and seek. Last year, she was undefeated. I promised to stop eating my brother's homework. It's not my fault it looks like snacks. I'll convince my mom that broccoli is actually green chocolate. Wish me luck. I'll invent a backpack that packs itself. No more forgetting my lunchbox. I'll invent a new dance called the sock slide shuffle. No one will be safe on tiled floors. My resolution is to teach my dog how to fetch the TV remote. We'll never miss cartoons again. I'll finally figure out how to stop stepping on Lego bricks. It's like a ninja training course at home. My resolution is to make the world's biggest spaghetti tower. And eat it too, of course. Okay children, wishing you all a very happy new year. Remember the 3 wise monkeys. Always see good, speak good, and hear good. Best of luck.
Please subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel, like and share the video. Thank you.